call baloney.
You just full of baloney, ain't you?
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave.
Wait, not wanted.
The most beautiful wherever you're here.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, speak of the devil.
What was that? Kayla, are you the one that brought that? Who did? Ashley Bailey. Oh. Daphne. Oh God, no. For your part. Yeah.
It meant all football players.
Okay, you don't want that to crack.
Move out of the way.
Give me that book. I'll show you what you do with it.
That's terrorist Ukraine. Dang! Oh, you bird! I hate this school. History, you guys look for him. It goes on Facebook, you sicko! It's going on YouTube. Because you did me most beautiful. I feel disturbed. I'm so glad you're here to stay.
And we just got away from it. And he called us out there and everything. And now, my court date is this Thursday during semester test. Mr. Reed already freaking cleared it. Because I want to come back on Friday. That's weird. Calm down. It's one day.
I can't read. I'm choking. Do the chicken, Allie.
Now you gotta do a triple chicken.
1, 2, 3. Cause you killing me. My beautiful seven wings. 1, 2, 3. Cause you killing me.